In this meditation, we are going to be connecting with our spirit guides. In order for us to connect with our spirit guides, we need to fully ground ourselves in the present moment. Detach ourselves from thought, anxiety, worries, and fully embrace the universe itself. When we can do this, then we will strengthen the connection between this reality and the next. And that's where communication takes place. So first of all, I want you to focus on your breathing. In through your nose, hold at the top, and out through your mouth. You are walking on a rocky path in the dead of night. You can hear bugs making their noises around you. You can feel a gentle breeze against your face. And above you is the beautiful night sky. Stars gleaming, the moon is out. And just at the end of the rocky path is a beautiful lake. You can see the reflections of stars and the moon. And you feel drawn to this lake. So you decide to walk closer and closer until eventually you are at the very front of the lake. And as you look out across the lake, you feel this sense of peace and serenity like you have never felt before. All over you feel goosebumps and just this sense of safety and security. You feel like this place is home, and maybe that's why you're being drawn to it so powerfully. All of a sudden, you look up across the other side of the lake and you see something. Now, whatever presents itself to you in your mind is how your spirit guide is showing itself to you. Maybe a human, an animal, an energy. Whatever it is that you feel like you're resonating with at the moment, that you can see across the other side of the lake, is precisely how your spirit guide wants to be seen. They're calling you. They want you to go around the lake to the other side. So you make the journey around. As you're walking around the side of the lake, you're getting this overwhelming feeling of love. And the closer and closer that you move towards your spirit guide, the more and more loved you feel. You may even be tearful at this point. You know that you are embracing a being that's been helping to guide you throughout your life since your birth. You're now standing in the presence of your spirit guide, and you decide to walk with the being. The decision is mutual. You don't even have to talk to one another. It's just an understanding that you have of each other. Now this walk is for you two alone. So this is where I step away. I'm no longer your meditative guide. You and your spirit guide now have time to communicate in whichever way you feel. I'll return to you in a few minutes' time. Hey, it's just me again. I hope that you've managed to receive what you needed to receive from this conversation with your spirit guide. I'm just going to give you another 30 seconds to say your farewells just for the moment. Whenever you're feeling upset, angry, not quite yourself, know that your guide is always there with you. I want you to remind yourself of this meditation and this experience today, whenever you're feeling low. because you're never really alone. So I just want you to become aware of your surroundings. Look at your room. Take a look at the room around you, or wherever you're meditating, outside or wherever you may be. And just allow yourself to be present in your own environment. And just give yourself a moment to slowly acclimatize to the reality around you. Thank you for being here today. And thank you for taking time to connect to your higher self. Have a wonderful day.